Today, I'm opening the Turkish Airlines UNESCO Turkey series long-haul cabin pack, an amenity kit I received on a flight from Ho Chi Minh City to Istanbul. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, the packaging is beautifully designed, with patterns that resemble flowers, though not exactly, is elegant and unique. There's a small plastic seal, which shows the kit has never been opened before. Let's break it open. It's a bit tricky. If you're on the plane, you'll need to push it firmly. I had to remove it by hand, but once done, the case opens easily. Inside the kit, everything follows a warm brown color palette, matching the UNESCO theme. First, we have the amenity bag itself. It feels like a sturdy fabric, not leather, but high quality nonetheless. Now, onto the contents. We start with the classic slippers, brown, soft, and surprisingly thick. Very comfortable for a flight. Perfect for walking around the cabin, especially if you need to go to the bathroom. Much better than walking barefoot or just in socks. Next, we have a brown eye mask, ideal for getting some sleep on board. It feels soft and comfortable on the face. Then, a pair of brown socks, warm and stretchy. Perfect for keeping your feet cozy during the flight. Also included is a small pack of 2 earplugs to help block out cabin noise while you sleep. Finally, we have a toothbrush and a mini 5 ml toothpaste from a professional brand. Enough for a few uses, just right for freshening up mid-flight. Overall, this kit has all the essentials for a comfortable long-haul journey. Slippers, socks, eye mask, earplugs, toothbrush, and toothpaste, all wrapped up in a stylish, reusable case. This was the amenity kit provided on my Turkish Airlines long-haul flight from Ho Chi Minh City to Istanbul. Enjoy your flight.